Excellent. Well done. You got to the end of the course. That's all 23 patterns. Perhaps you thought 23 wasn't very many. I think you probably agree now that 23 is actually a lot. There are actually a lot more patterns than just the 23 gang of 4 patterns. But what you've got now is a very good base if you want to take patterns further. Also remember that whether you start coding from a pattern or whether you code and then refactor into a pattern is up to you. There's no right or wrong way. Sometimes it's hard to know which pattern is going to suit until you've actually tried something out. Anyway, you can see that many of the patterns will demonstrate things that you've probably never considered before or even contemplated how maybe you would approach that problem. Anyway, all this resource is there for you forever. The website is free, so you can always come back to it and refer to any of the patterns if you need a reminder of how something works. I also have these one-liners on the summary page here that perhaps if you'd read this page right in the beginning, they probably wouldn't have made much sense, but now they do, I'm sure. And also, if you want to break from the fan noise of your computer for a while, all the content in this course is also in a book that I put together. And the pages also contain video codes in case you would like to watch a video directly from the website. For example, the interpreter there, you can type a code from the book and watch the video directly from the website. Okay, so excellent. Thanks for taking part in my course. Good luck in the future, and I hope your projects succeed. Excellent.